Hello, in this video we'll show you how to replace the front wheel bearing on Seat Ibiza, Volkswagen Polo and some Audis with the same suspension. Usually the wheel bearing needs a replacement when there is play in the wheel or if there is a winding noise when you turn the wheel. In order to get to the wheel bearing, first we start by removing the wheel. Next, we're going to remove the bolt that holds the CV joint to the wheel hub assembly. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, we're going to remove the two bolts holding the brake caliper and remove the brake caliper. Next, we're going to remove the bolt holding the brake disc and also remove the brake disc. Next, we're going to remove the three bolts holding the ball joint to the control arm and remove the ball joint, and then take out the CV joint from the wheel hub assembly. In order to remove the wheel bearing for this car, there is a special tool which I don't have, so I'm going to remove the whole wheel hub assembly and replace the wheel bearing on a hydraulic press. But first, I need to remove the ABS sensor, which is just there. I also need to remove this heat shield so that when I go onto the hydraulic press, it's not in my way. Next I'm going to remove the nut holding the tie rod end and remove the tie rod end, and then I'm going to remove the bolt that holds the wheel hub assembly to the shock absorber. Now I'm going to remove the wheel hub assembly from the shock absorber. I'm going to hit it with the hammer a couple of times and it will come out. And that's the whole wheel hub assembly out. Now I'm going to go on to the hydraulic press and start removing the wheel bearing and then replace it with a new one. So I'm going to put the wheel hub assembly in between those metal plates, make sure it's in a straight way. And then I'm going to get a ring which I'm gonna put on the small ring on the wheel bearing and just press it down. Okay, I'm putting this ring on the smaller part of the wheel bearing. I'm just gonna press it down. And that's the wheel bearing out. Here I'll show you exactly why I put the ring so that I can press it down. I put it just there and the whole wheel bearing comes out. Next I'm going to start installing the new wheel bearing. I'm going to get a big ring which I'm going to put with a diameter as bigger than the wheel bearing and put it right there and start pushing the wheel bearing in. I'm going to push the wheel bearing in until it can't go anymore in. And that's the wheel bearing replaced. Now I can put the wheel hub assembly on the car and assemble everything in the reverse order. Now in order to put the wheel hub assembly onto the shock absorber, I'm using this tool, which I'm going to open this. I'm gonna open this part where the shock absorber goes in, and just push it in all the way. Once it's in, I can put the bolt on to hold it in, and then assemble everything else. Now I'm going to put the ABS sensor in and tighten it, put the connector in, then I'm going to put the heat shield, the drive shaft in, and the ball joint, then the brake disc, brake caliper, and then we're done. Make sure you tighten everything, and that's it. Thank you for watching.